Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again you are welcome to Resolve for you. In today's Kdenlive tutorial we will learn how to use adjustment clip, adjustment layer in Kdenlive, which we use in advanced video editing software like Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. In DaVinci Resolve it's called adjustment clip, in Premiere Pro it's called adjustment layer. The same thing we can do in Kdenlive too. Kdenlive is also open source free video editing, advanced video editing software. In this software we can do a lot. In today's lesson we will apply such type of adjustment layer inside Kdenlive. Lots of friends asked me how to add adjustment layer, adjustment clip in Kdenlive. We will today apply this. Listen till the this class till the end. Don't miss any step because all steps are very important, dear friends. Without wasting time, let's jump into Resolve for you. Now we are in the interface of Kdenlive here. I have taken some clips you see here. This is from Pixabay and Pixel 2 clips, and this is a clip of my son David and daughter Devika. They are here in the suite playing here. And here Devika is with her cat, and David here with the cat. So in this today's tutorial in Kdenlive tutorial, we will learn how to use actually this adjustment clip and adjustment layer. If you have already worked in DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro, you know in Premiere Pro this adjustment layer, it's called adjustment layer, and in Premiere Pro and in DaVinci Resolve it is called adjustment clip. These are same thing in Kdenlive. Actually we can use such type of adjustment clip. First I will show you. I have here, you see, for our here we are in DaVinci Resolve here. I show you for adjustment clip. We use this for several type of purposes. If you have gone through my DaVinci Resolve tutorials, you see here in effect you will find this adjustment clip. I take this as adjustment clip here, and through adjustment clip it's like a mirror, you know. And if you apply any effect, crop effect or color grading, if you apply such a type of effect, it will actually anywhere you put this clip, this adjustment clip or adjustment layer, this will affect all the video beneath here. You see downside here we have 3 video here. Yeah, for example I want to color grading for in DaVinci Resolve. I come here, I just want to show you for example, then we will show you in Kdenlive how we will use. So in DaVinci Resolve we have come here on, we apply on adjustment clip temperature here. You see I want to increase the temperature here, and I want to increase the tint, contrast I want to increase, and here I want to increase the middle tone, and I will just increase the lift, I will 10, and I will increase gamma here. You see gamma, and here you see I will increase gain, and when I come here I will boost the color. For example highlight I will do 30, and here you see shadow 30, and sorry, and a highlight 10. For the situation I will increase little bit. You see 59 I will increase here, and when you see now our video has changed. For you can see the effect. You see now this video before color grading, after color grading, you see it has changed. You can make more, like you can add luma if you want, luma effect, luma mix in here. I will put it on 98. Okay, and you can do more if you want. For example I want to temperature more, and I can increase the redness. I will come here, you see warp, and I will select anywhere, and I can increase the redness here. You see now, you see after before this is a before color grading and after color grading it has changed. Actually I'm working on color grading. Now we come here in our editing tab. You see this is actually our original clip. We click here, you see after color grading how the pirate has changed, its face has changed. In the same way you see here Devika with her cat, it has changed actually. Here you see same way this dog had changed here you see. So I will just without color clip, you see this is our video. Here you see how this was, how this is actually after when we used color clip, color correction on our adjustment layer. You see how it has changed. Actually it has affected all the video here. You see one video here pirate, second video here Devika with her cat, here you see dog, and in the kindergarten babies are here. It has affected all. Without color I just remove this adjustment layer here on the timeline, and you see now how is the video. So wherever we use color clip adjustment layer for rotating, color clip, various type of effect we add, for this purpose we use. Actually this color adjustment layer and adjustment clip saves our lot of tons of time while video editing. If without adjustment clip we would have done color grading to every hair and rotating. If for example this is for our demo purposes, I am showing you. You can do accurate color grading, and it will affect every. You see how the Devika is here after color grading. I remove this adjustment clip. You see this Devika now. So here with her cat. This is in this way. So this is actually the work of color grading to save our time. The same color grading we can same adjustment layer, same adjustment clip we can use in Kdenlive. Now we come to Kdenlive here. Dear friend, here is our Kdenlive. We come here and I want to say you that in Kdenlive there is no such adjustment clip and adjustment layer, but there are some techniques you can use, and it actually works same like this adjustment clip and adjustment layer. Please listen this class till the end, dear friend, and subscribe it if it's useful for you. Now we come here, you see now this clip I have taken from Pixab here and Pixels here to the same clips. Here you see David and Devika here I have already shown you. So for example, I have several clips, 1 2 3 4 5 clips, but I don't want to use adjustment layer to this clip actually. In the you see in the here in our DaVinci Resolve, you can drag the clip, you can put anywhere. For example, if you want hair, you can put hair on these clips too. On the forest, you see forest has changed. You see forest without this adjustment clip. We have done color grading in this adjustment clip, but here I have removed. So I don't want to apply color grading here on this forest, so I will drag here and I can put hair here. In this way I can adjust, you see, but wherever you will put, it will affect the video. From here only it will affect, here it will not affect, you see it. Now we come here in Kdenlive, there is no such adjustment clip, but this trick we will use and you can apply same. This is the concept is the same. For example, for this I don't want to use here the color grading. For here I want to make a color grading here, and I don't want to use this clip for on this clip. I will just drag and I will put this to other timeline here. So V2 timeline, you see this V2 audio video here I have separated. Now we have on V1 and A1 track. This is our this clip are here, you see, because now what I will do, for example, you can use any for effect. For example, I take a rotating effect here. For example, here we have several effect here. We come here and we take rotate, you see, rotate. You just type here rotate, and you see rotate keyframeable. I want to use this to use the rotate with keyframing, with the help of keyframing. Beautiful effect I want to apply on all these clips, like adjustment clip or adjustment layer in DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro. Same thing I want to do here, because there is no adjustment clip or adjustment layer in Kdenlive, but we can do. We will drag here, see carefully, and I will put this to here on the clips actually here on this here track. We will not put on the clip here. I will drag this rotate. You see I am holding it actually. I will put here on this track directly. Now this effect will come here, you see. Now this effect is on track actually. This is on not in here on every click. You see when I click, there is no effect here. There is no effect, you see. But when I click the track here, you see, I will see carefully. Now it has appeared actually rotate Y X. Now I can actually use same keyframing. We can do same. I want to use the effect rotating now, and I will come here and I will rotate. For example, first I show you. I want to rotate X. You see, I want to this rotate actually in this way, and I want to rotate Y. You see, in this way I can do. First I want to show you only rotate X. You see, no, I have used this rotate. When you come here, you see all clip has rotated. You see all. You see, in this way it is all clip has been affected by this rotation, you see. But when you come here, this has not been affected, because this is on the other track, V2 track here, see. And we have used this like same the concept of adjustment layer and adjustment clip on V1 track, you see. When we click here, actually we have applied here. That's why this actually appear on this V1 track, and V2 track it has not affected. In the same way, if you want to apply adjustment layer, adjustment clip in Kdenlive, you have to drag the video which you don't want to use. For example, I don't want to apply here this rotating effect. I have already moved this to the V2 track, and which I want to use this 3. I have put there. No, my video will come here, and I can use keyframing actually. No, it will come here like you see. I have rotate in this way, and when our video will come here, and again I will come here, and you have to click, because we are using this here. Now we can use rotate here, you see, and I will start rotating in this way, because I am rotating on the V1 actually track. For every clip there I am rotating. Now I come here, and now I click here. You have to click on the track here, you see. Now I will add this, you see, this is for keyframing. If you know Kdenlive, add keyframe. I want to add keyframe and rotate this video here like this. Here rotate X like this, you see. Now again when our video will come here, I will add another keyframing here, and I will rotate like here in this way. When our video will come here, and I will again add, you have to remember here, you have to click here, you see, on the track, and I will add keyframing here, and I will make this video straight here, you see, straight here on the same position. You see, now I will play this. See, I'm playing. You see, it's rotating. I have used the rotate keyframeable effect here on this timeline. Actually, on the track, directly on the track. This is a track. Actually, this is work as adjustment layer and adjustment clip. If you want to use in Kdenlive live adjustment layer, adjustment clip, the concept is the same. You have to use the track. You have to apply directly all the effect to the hair directly in this area, not here on the clips personally. This is the clip, this is a track actually, and which the video which you don't want to use for adjustment layer, and you will just drag it to other track. You know, Kdenlive, you can, it's advanced video editing software. You see my son, and they are, you see, playing here in the ground. You see, actually in this way you can use this. See, in this way you can use rotate effect, beautiful effect. Actually, if I want to rotate one clip, you can personally use the effect direct to the clip. If you want to use on the whole clip, you can use this rotate effect through on the track. You have to directly put the effect on the track, and the clips which you don't want to use, don't want to affect the rotation and rotate other type of any effect, you will just change the track here. I change the track here. If I will click here, this you see now, actually this will appear here. You see here. Now this effect has appeared on this clip too. See, in this clip too, but for example, I don't want to affect this clip here in this clip, and I will drag this to the V2 track. Now I have dragged, you see, this pirate is not affected by the rotate effect keyframeable, you see, but this is our own V1 track. This is actually, you see, rotating here. I am talking to Russian in our language. My sons and daughter are in Ukraine, you know, they speak Russian and Ukrainian language, so I have to talk to them in Russian language. You see here, so in this way you can use this beautiful here. You see David with his cat. He loves cat too much. You see here. Actually, this is the concept of same. This is the same like adjustment layer. In the it works indifferently. The concept is the same here. For example, if you don't want to delete this effect, you just directly you have to delete this. You have to click here on the track, and you come here. You see here the point here, delete. I will click here. All the effect here, all the effects have gone. You see, now we are without effect here. Now I want to use color grading actually on this, like same in the which we used in that advanced video editing software, DaVinci Resolve. We can use color grading, color correction. You take color correction. You have to type here color correct. You see here we have color correct. We will take this and we will drag to directly, not on the clip. We will click drag. We will click here and apply to our directly to the hair track. See, no, it's not on click. You see, when I click here, it appears here. Now we can actually use this color correction. I don't want to affect this video. We just put this on, move to the V2 track. Now we have come here and we come to directly to the clip. Actually, it's a good in Kdenlive. The same things which you do in DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, like this pad software, you can do in this open source piece of. You see, I use color grading here. Same which we have used in DaVinci Resolve. Same things we are doing here. You see, I'm using color grading here. This is a solid video editing software, Kdenlive. It has solid color grading, audio corrections, tools, good transitions. If you know adjustment layer, and if you know how to use add clip here for to project here, add color clip and title clip, you can make several lower third. I have made such lower third in our last classes. You can go and see. You can make a lots of. You see, now I have changed blue highlight. We can highlight here blue. If you can make, you see in this way color grading. You see this fine color grading situation. I can increase here, decrease here. You see in Kdenlive you can. You can't imagine how much you can do. The same like pad software, and it doesn't use your heavy video card, graphic card, and it can work on the lightweighted computer and notebook. It's a very good. That's why I like Kdenlive so much. You see here I've changed. Now you see in the same adjustment layer which we used here in DaVinci Resolve, here you see in color grading here, same things you see in the color page we did here, same things you see, same things we can do here. We have done here, you see. Just you have to drag the effect. Several color correction effect are available here. You see RGB adjustment, color level, color balance, color temperature, color overlay, color hold, color play, color contrast, CMYK, you know, CMYK adjustment, magenta, all this. You can do it in lots of things in Kdenlive there. You see, no, this actually it has affected all the. It's the same like adjustment layer. You see here. we have DaVinci Resolve here, and you see same adjustment layer here. We can just enlarge here. It will apply here. You see we have used this, and when here we didn't use color correction because we can put here in DaVinci Resolve. You can just drag and place anywhere, but in Kdenlive you can just drag actually your clip to other track here. For example, on this track we have, when we click here, if you want to this clip to be affected by this color grading, you put here. No, it will be also affected here. You see, now see, when you want to see without affecting, you see this is how before color grading, but after color grading I use some, you see in this is in this way we have used color grading actually. If you for example, no, I want to remove the pirate here on the other track. No, it is not affected by our color grading. Actually the concept is same here. This is the same concept in the, it works on the same concept, just we put all the effect color grading here on. The work of adjustment layer is to make your work fast and saves your lots of time. In the Kdenlive 2 you can save your lots of time. Only difference is just you have to drag the video to other track here, and the main track where you want to use color grading you can use here. Yeah, if you want to use adjustment layer on this color, we can put the clip which we want to be affected by this adjustment layer on this track, and we will drag the hair from here effect direct to this track V2 track. Now we have used V1 track as our color for color grading, you see, same way. Dear friend, we have nowadays a series of I'm working on the series of Kdenlive tutorial. There are lots of advanced thing, beginners, intermediate. For everyone this course is designed, and you can join our course for Kdenlive tutorials. So this will be long course, and if you once you know how to work on Kdenlive, you can work on any video editing, any advanced video editing software of the world. I guarantee this here, because in Kdenlive is very advanced. You see there are lots of tons of this on the effects here, transitions are available. Dear friend, we meet in the next class. Actually this is our how we can use in Kdenlive this adjustment clip. I taught you. You try on the same on your clip and you will understand. We have compared this to our very advanced professional video editing software here. The same things, really same things you can do here in Kdenlive. So Kdenlive is also advanced video editing software. Lots of things you can do, and nowadays Kdenlive is improving every day. It's becoming better and better. In the near future, I think it will be very equal to DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro. I think in coming years, very soon it will be. It has almost everything which you find in Premiere Pro, like so costly software. Everything is keyframing, chroma key, solid color grading, audio editing, everything. Everything is available. Hello dear friend, we have learned today how to add this adjustment clip, adjustment layer inside Kdenlive. This is actually a very important tip. Using this tip you can use the same concept of adjustment layer, adjustment clip inside Kdenlive. Dear friend, don't miss other class. Please subscribe the channels to motivate me, and share this channel to those friends who actually need of such tutorial, and like, comment, and use this adjustment layer inside your clip, and then write me in the comment box how is your experience, how much you have learned, and how you will use this adjustment clip for your rotating effect or color grading. And there are lots of use of this adjustment layer, dear friend. Let's meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.